YANYI Group is a large group enterprise. Integrated research and development and production of windows and doors. Project contracting of architectural decoration works. Building project construction. Owns subsidiaries such as Hebei Soffit Door and Window Limited Corporation. Hebei Shusen Metal Wire Mesh Products Limited Corporation. Hebei Kaitian Precision Component Manufacturing Limited Corporation. Hebei Yanyi Glass Limited Corporation. YANYI Aluminum Limited Corporation. YANYI International Trade Limited Corporation etc. And has branches in many provinces, cities and regions. At present, the company window and door, curtain wall section has two major brands. DRUET Windows and Doors, and WD Site Screen Windows and Doors. In November 2020, it invested 360 million yuan, covering an area of 50 acres. And introducing advanced production lines, with tens of millions yuan, which can achieve a monthly production capacity of 300,000 square meters of windows and doors and curtain walls, becoming the most powerful and potential standardized factory in north of China. Now the company has more than 1,000 employees. Gather many professionals such as first-class construction engineer, associate constructors, senior engineers, etc. And the company has more than 600 specialty stores, and more than 400 franchise stores. Served more than 129,000 end customers. Customers spread all over China. The international trade business market has gradually expanded. At present, the countries of cooperative customers have covered Australia, the United States, Canada, Singapore, India, Malaysia, Belgium and other countries. The company now has a number of professional engineering contracting qualifications. Grade 2 professional contracting of building curtain wall engineering, such as Grade 2 professional contracting of building decoration engineering. Grade 3 professional contracting of steel structure engineering. Grade 2 professional contracting of waterproof, anti-corrosion and thermal insulation engineering. Grade 3 professional contracting of environmental protection engineering. And professional contracting of special engineering, structural reinforcement. It has reached long-term strategic cooperation with large central enterprises such as China State Construction Engineering Group Limited Corporation, China Communications Construction Company Limited, China Railway Group Limited, China Railway Construction Engineering Group, Beijing YANYI Construction Group Limited Corporation, and Beijing Construction Engineering Group, etc. to undertake curtain walls, steel construction, decoration and other projects. Zhonghu Science and Education Park Project. Xiong'an Fireproof Window Project. Shanghai Public Rental Housing Project. Zhongyuan Patent Office Glass Roof Project. Hongdao Resettlement House Fireproof Windows Project. Tianjin Jinzhong New City Window and Door Project. Handan Fengya Wenyuan Project. Shanghai Lingang New Area Curtain Wall Project. Zhengzhou Digital Town Project. Zhengzhou Railway Police College Project. Kongqiao Curtain Wall. Huizhong Beihao Jiayuan Project. And the Blue City Project are all joint projects of state-owned enterprises. The company's window and door products have obtained the inspection report of the National Center for Quality Inspection and Test of Building Curtain Walls and Windows Doors. The self-developed passive window products have obtained the German PHI certification. The company passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, OSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, for System Authoritative certification. Also passed the record of the use of construction engineering materials and equipment in many provinces and the application certification of building energy-saving technology products, and has a number of product patents. The strength of YANYI's engineering sector is getting stronger and stronger, and the home improvement business is promoting model innovation and capacity upgrade, at the same time of receiving praise from customers. There are also more and more customers joining and cooperating with us. Facing challenges, we grow in innovation and progress in passion. with the enterprise spirit of strict self-discipline, consistent, and the determination to strive for just making window and door for the rest of life. The production capacity efficiency of the enterprise has been greatly increased. And quality better. Create value for customers. Seek happiness for employees. And contribute to society. Make the enterprise achieve a new leap and create a new brilliance.